Reshaping worlds. What is terraforming? Terraforming. It sounds like science fiction, right? The idea of transforming an alien world into a place where humans can live and thrive seems like something out of a movie or a novel, but it's a real scientific concept. Scientists and engineers are seriously considering how we might one day make other planets habitable. In simple terms, it's the process of modifying a planet's atmosphere, temperature, and surface to make it habitable for Earth-like life. This involves a range of techniques, from altering the chemical composition of the air to changing the planet's surface to support water and vegetation. Imagine transforming a barren, hostile world into a second home for humanity. Picture a desolate, rocky landscape turning into a lush, green environment where humans can live without fear. That's the ultimate goal of terraforming. It's about creating new worlds where life can flourish. This isn't just about planting a flag on another planet, it's about much more than that. It's about creating a self-sustaining ecosystem where humans could survive and thrive without needing spacesuits or artificial habitats. Imagine walking on an alien planet, breathing the air and seeing plants and animals that have adapted to their new home. It's a monumental task, requiring advanced technologies and a deep understanding of planetary science. The challenges are immense, but so are the potential rewards. While we're still far from wielding that kind of power, the idea of terraforming has captured our imaginations for decades. It's a vision of the future that continues to inspire scientists, engineers, and dreamers alike. It represents the ultimate act of cosmic engineering, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and our place in the universe. The dream of terraforming challenges us to think big and to reach for the stars. Planetary candidates, Mars and Venus in focus. When it comes to potential candidates for terraforming, two planets stand out in our solar system, Mars and Venus. These two celestial bodies have captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Both present unique challenges and opportunities, making them the focus of numerous scientific studies and futuristic speculations. The quest to transform these planets into habitable worlds is a monumental task that requires innovative thinking and advanced technology. Mars, the red planet, is often considered the more achievable target. Its barren, rocky landscape holds secrets of a potentially habitable past. While cold and arid today, it possesses valuable resources like water ice and carbon dioxide. These resources could be harnessed to create a more Earth-like environment. Its day-night cycle is similar to Earth's, and its gravity, though weaker, is still significant. This makes it a more familiar and manageable environment for human settlers. Venus, on the other hand, is a true inferno. Its surface is marked by volcanic activity and extreme conditions. Its thick, toxic atmosphere traps heat, resulting in surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. This makes Venus a far more hostile environment. However, Venus is similar in size and mass to Earth, and its proximity to the Sun offers abundant solar energy. This energy could be a key factor in any future terraforming efforts. Choosing between these celestial neighbors is like comparing apples and oranges. Each has its own set of challenges and potential rewards. Mars requires warming up and thickening its atmosphere, while Venus needs a drastic cool-down and atmospheric transformation. The path to making either planet habitable is fraught with difficulties, but the potential benefits are immense. Engineering Mars a red planet turned blue? The idea of transforming Mars into a habitable world is no longer just a dream, it's a scientific endeavor that could redefine our future. Terraforming Mars is a multi-step process that reads like a science fiction novel. It involves a series of complex and ambitious steps, each more challenging than the last. The first hurdle is warming the planet and thickening its atmosphere to a point where liquid water can exist on the surface. This is crucial for any form of life to thrive. One proposed method is to release greenhouse gases trapped in the Martian soil and polar ice caps. These gases would create a greenhouse effect, warming the planet over time. Another approach involves redirecting ammonia-rich asteroids to collide with Mars, delivering both heat and nitrogen, a key component of a breathable atmosphere. This method could accelerate the warming process significantly. These impacts could also release water vapor, contributing to the formation of clouds and oceans. Water is essential for sustaining life and creating a stable environment. Once a thicker atmosphere is established, the focus would shift to introducing life. This would be a monumental step in making Mars a second home for humanity. Genetically engineered microorganisms could play a crucial role in converting Martian soil into fertile ground, paving the way for plant life and eventually, a thriving ecosystem. These microorganisms would be the pioneers of a new world, setting the stage for future generations. Taming Venus, a hellish challenge. Terraforming Venus presents a different set of challenges, demanding even more radical solutions. The first order of business is taming its runaway greenhouse effect and lowering its surface temperature. This might involve deploying massive solar shades to reflect sunlight away from the planet. Another strategy involves converting Venus's dense carbon dioxide atmosphere into something more Earth-like. Some scientists propose using genetically engineered bacteria or chemical processes to sequester carbon and release oxygen, a monumental undertaking on a planetary scale. The extreme pressure on Venus's surface adds another layer of complexity. Any structures or habitats would need to withstand crushing forces, requiring innovative engineering and materials that can withstand the harsh conditions.